You know, there's so many of us that have been here for so many years. Even the ones that aren't family, to me, are family.
Our kids that started here, they were all looking for jobs, and we're like, you know, why not go to Thermotron? Anything that you want to do, you can learn. Two of our daughters were skeptical about coming to Thermotron, but once they got here, they were like, Mom, we love it.
First, I didn't think I was going to like working with my parents because we are all very close, and I thought that, you know, it would get annoying. It's actually really nice to have that support system there, and they get to see us grow and watch us learn.
If you're thinking of working at Thermotron, I would say go for it. They're like, everyone I've met has been so good about helping me and like making sure I'm learning at my pace. I'm still learning. Like every single day, it's a new thing.
If you're thinking about working at Thermotron, it's definitely a good job to go to. There's multiple families that do work here, so I would say, yeah, it is a good environment for families. It's very flexible, the people are very helpful. It's a very helpful environment, and it's typically a very happy environment.
It's very rewarding, and it's just, you get to meet a lot of people, and I just like my job.
The company's big enough and it's got enough unique jobs around that they can find their own areas, so you're not interacting with your family all day long. But you also have, when you talk about somebody when they're at home or a department or a product, everybody understands what you're talking about.
Yeah.
And that's kind of the neat thing at home, which kind of binds us all together even closer.
I think it's brought us all closer.